Hey guys, what's going on? It's Senpai here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a forum signature and upload it. So what we're going to do is go to the forums, and we're going to go to your user profile. Here, you just click your name, go to My Profile, and then you're going to want to go down to Edit My Profile. And then you're going to come down here to this sidebar, and you're going to choose Signature. And from there, I'll load. I don't know why it's taking so long to load right now. There we go. You can see your current signature and you'll be able to edit it here. So what I'm going to do is just make a little room there, and we're going to be putting our new signature right there that we make. It's going to only be a basic signature. I'm not going to do anything advanced like GIFs or anything like that for you. This is just to get the feel of how to make a presentable one and upload it. So first we're going to need the image. We're going to go to a website. If you don't have Photoshop, this website is called pixlr.com. From there we're going to go to the editor right here. It's the web app, and then it'll bring up this page. You're going to want to do create new image, make sure the background is transparent, and then I'm going to make the width about 400 and the height about 360. That's fine. So we get this kind of square right here to work in, and then what we're going to do is add a image into this as our first layer. What I like to do is I like to make a text layer, or text as an image. So I go to this website cooltext.com, and I get to choose any of these static. These dynamic images, these are GIFs, or GIFs, however you pronounce it, and those will not work. Those will just not work with the file. I would go into it, but it just doesn't work. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to choose the one that we want. I'm going to choose I'll choose lava. That looks kind of cool. I'm gonna write just whatever I want. I'll just write Senpai. You can change the size of it. I'll load, make it a little bit bigger. You can make the gradients, anything. I'll make mine a nice rainbow. Text gradient, text pattern. Ooh, that looks psychedelic. There we go. And outline pattern. We're gonna make that that right there. So that looks pretty cool right there. That's a nice image. So we're going to save that image as senpai.png. Make sure it's a PNG file. Alright, we're going to save that. Going to go over here and go to Layer, Open Image as Layer, and then we're going to go to our image right here, senpai.jpg. Awesome. So we have our first layer right here. What we're going to do is make sure it's selected. Layer 1 is what it should be. Then we're going to go to Edit and Free Transform. Here you can make it crooked, you can change it like that, you can flip it upside down if you want, make it backwards, anything you want. I'm just going to make it a bit bigger, and I'll make it a little bit crooked. There we go. Then you gotta click off of it. Do you want to apply the changes? Yes. So there we go. There's our first layer. It's looking pretty groovy. Next, we're going to want our next image. So what I like to do is just do a Google search. Do google.com space. I'm not sure if this is for all browsers. I'm using Google Chrome, so this works for Google Chrome. But I like to do that and then do something like, let's do RuneScape Skill Capes. And we're going to go to Images. And is there a good skill capes right here? Let's see. View image. JPEG. Nope, you don't want a JPEG file. So what we're going to do is maybe just do Herblore Cape. Perfect. So then we come with something like this. view image. This is a PNG file, so what we're going to do is we're going to save the image. Save the image as herb cape. Perfect. Alright, so that's saved right there. I'm going to click that down, and we're going to do open image as layer. We're going to do herb cape, and that's pretty big, so what we're going to do is going to go over to edit, free transform, make it a bit smaller, and we're going to drag it back up, and we can resize it to what we want. So we'll put that just like that, and then I don't like how it's in front of my text there, so I'm going to click off, I'm going to save it, and I'm going to take the layer, I'm going to drag it down just like that. So now I have Senpai over that, but that's blocking the herb logo, so I'm going to go to free transform, I'm going to go to, oops, forgot to change back to layer 1. Edit, free transform, I'm going to go over here, going to change that, move it just like that, and then do something like that. Awesome. So then we have this and the cape, but I think there should be something down right here because it looks a little empty compared to that. So we might want to make another text thing. If we want to do that, we go back to cooltext.com, and then we can choose whatever we want. I can show you exactly why one of these moving would not work, but you just have to trust me on it. It's because of the file. It won't save as a .png file, which is what you need for the transparency. So we can do something that's kind of funny. Let's see how this works. Number 1 novice, and we'll raise the size up a little bit. Save image as rendered image.png. Sure, that's fine. I don't have a rendered image.png. So we're going to go layer, open image as rendered image.png. Awesome. So then we're going to free transform, move it down here. And we're going to just move this around a little bit. We're going to change it. Move it off to the side maybe. And boom, there we go. Alright, so now we have an image, kind of looks okay. Transparency's fine. You can obviously do something else if you want. I'm just keeping this just because I think it looks alright. Then we're going to go over to File, Save. We're going to do forums sig, and then we're going to save it as a PNG. It'll say transparent, full quality. That'll keep the checkered background, which is transparent, which is what you want. So then we're going to just save that. Yep, save it. And then you can click out of that. Awesome. So next, you're going to want to upload it. Do not do the attach image. That won't come up right. That'll make a link to it, it'll just look sloppy. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to imgur.com, upload images, browse your computer, and then we're going to choose, where is it? forumsig.png. So I'm going to start the upload. Awesome. So there's our image. The transparent background worked, as you can see. Blends in. You're going to come over to the one that says BB code right here, and where it has the image brackets. You're going to copy that one, and then just paste it, and there you go. Save changes, and you are all set. There's your new signature. So that's pretty much it. I mean, you can obviously do whatever you want with the resources I showed you. There's many more resources online that you can find. Those are just the ones that I like to choose. Yeah, but if this helped, definitely leave a like, tell your friends. go scam people for money and say you're a pro GFX artist. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope I helped